The CEKAY Starlink Mounting Kit is expertly designed to accommodate the Starlink Gen3 and V3 dishes, allowing for a full 360-degree rotation and a 20-degree tilt for optimal signal reception. Constructed from durable, weather-resistant aluminum alloy, this mounting kit ensures a stable and robust foundation for your Starlink dish, capable of withstanding harsh environmental conditions. The adapter's universal compatibility with poles ranging from 25 mm to 51 mm in diameter ensures a secure fit, even in windy environments. Featuring a reversible design, the mounting pole has an outer diameter of 1.5 inches and an arm length of 51 inches, allowing for flexible standoff distance adjustments. The mounting pole can rotate 180 degrees, providing adaptability to different installation surfaces and ensuring the best reception angle for strong signals. Installation is hassle-free with all necessary hardware included, making the setup of the Starlink Gen3 dish mounting kit quick and straightforward.